Indian butter chicken. Prep time 10 minutes. Cook time 35 minutes. Yield 4 to 6 servings. Description: add some spice to your dinner tonight and bring home the fragrance and taste of India with this delicious and creamy Indian butter chicken recipe. Ingredients: marinade, 1 1/2 pound. Boneless and skinless chicken thighs or breast, about 2 chicken breasts or 4 to 5 thighs, cut into 1-inch cubes. 1/2 cup yogurt. 3 cloves garlic, minced. 1 tablespoon ginger, grated. 1 teaspoon chili powder or red pepper powder. 1/4 teaspoon paprika. 1 teaspoon garam masala. 1/2 teaspoon salt. 1/2 teaspoon pepper. Sauce: 1 tablespoon vegetable oil. 2 tablespoons unsalted butter. 1 1/2 teaspoon coriander seeds. 1 1/2 teaspoon cumin seeds. 1 medium onion, chopped. 1 teaspoon turmeric. 3 cloves garlic, minced. 1 tablespoon ginger, grated. 1/2 tablespoon garam masala or more to taste. 1 teaspoon chili powder or red pepper powder. 1/16 ounces can of tomato puree. It may be called crushed tomatoes. Look at the picture on the can. 1/2 cup water. 1/2 cup heavy cream, 35% or whipping cream. 1/2 teaspoon dried fenugreek leaves. Salt and pepper to taste. Fresh chopped cilantro for garnish. Instructions: in a medium bowl, mix the marinade ingredients together: the chicken, yogurt, garlic, ginger, chili powder and salt and pepper. Cover the bowl and allow it to marinate for 1 to 2 hours or overnight in the fridge. Preheat the oven to 475 F. Cook the chicken for 10 minutes on the middle rack. Turn broiler on high and move the chicken to the top rack. Char the top for 2 to 3 minutes until the top of the chicken begins to brown or burn slightly. Remove chicken from oven. In a large frying pan or wok, heat the oil over medium-high. Add the butter and allow it to melt. Add the coriander and cumin and cook for about 30 seconds. Add onion, turmeric, garlic and ginger and cook until onion becomes translucent, 2 to 3 minutes. Add garam masala, chili powder and paprika, stir until coated and cook for about 40 seconds. Add the tomato puree and water and bring the sauce to a simmer. If you like your sauce to be smooth rather than chunky, remove from heat at this point. Pour the sauce into your food processor and puree until smooth. Pour the puree back into the pan and bring back to a simmer. Add the partially cooked chicken. Turn the heat down to low, cover the pan with a lid and simmer for 20 minutes. Stir in the cream and fenugreek leaves and season with salt and pepper. Cook for 2 to 3 more minutes. Serve over basmati rice and sprinkle some chopped cilantro on top.